going on, brother?
Hey, them 6s or 8s?
6.
Man, they look like 8s, man. I ain't gonna lie, that black, bro, especially with the lip,
Hey,
7-inch.
They had to shove them joints in there. They did not want to.
Yeah, you gotta tuck what the lip is.
Yeah.
7 inches.
No, that lip is 10.
10?
Yeah.
That's why they look like, bro.
Yeah,
Deep dish, bro. This is beautiful, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
It,
Best Chevelle, and there was a lot of Chevelles here. This the best one.
Oh man, come on, man.
Man, I'm going online with it, bro. This the best one. Don't be too humble. You good?
I appreciate it, man.
No doubt, bro. Oh, y'all got me?
Yeah.
Y'all ready? I think they already shutting down, so.
Yeah.
Is there a lot of cars down there? No.
Not that many.
Not that many? Say what's good to the camera. Uh-oh, we in front of you. We trying to mess up footage. Apologize.
I'm sorry.
This nigga got earth in a school bus, guys. Crazy work.
You're not going to post that anywhere, are you? Because I don't want to be posted.
I didn't get you.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go Karen on me. I'm a good people. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. I want no trouble. The Jeep coming through here. They through here. Guys, we finna go check out this car show real quick. Actually backing out of the garage as we speak. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Want to welcome everybody. Hope you're having a good weekend. Hope everybody's blessed. Mind you guys, I'm trying to hold on. Hope everybody's blessed. Hope you're having a good weekend. I got a nice little treat for y'all. And we finna go pull up at this car show. Check it out. I am in a 300 as you can see. So, figure I'll bring my baby out, let her get some air, be around her friends or whatnot. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Yep, we actually here, guys. Let me go find them and see what they are. They somewhere over here though. Alright, so we out here, guys. It is packed. I got a family right there. Hey, I just parked in there. You say that ain't no good information for real. I don't think that you gonna get told. It's finna shut down at like 9:30 anyway. So yeah, so I just parked in there, and then if not, like they parked on a. But be careful because they got yellow shit by the driveways. So I think if you don't block the driveways, you Gucci parking on the street too.
Right here.
Yeah, but make sure the car turned this way though.
Okay.
All right, I parked over there though, cause look, you see, it's a lot of. If you can tell, most of the people from here they parked over here too. So, all right. So yeah, guys, we out here, as you can see. Look, they had to pull my arm to get me out here, guys, cause I wasn't coming. Let me see. Well, you got your camera? You ready? Celia was thirsty, bro. Super thirsty. Let's get this up. Oh, man, you ain't lying. Maya, make sure you with somebody before you get the whatchamacallit. 442. Check them out. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Good, how you doing?
Doing good as well, man. Like that olive on here.
Original color.
Oh, it came like this? It looked like you had work done to it, yo.
I painted it for
Right, yeah. I didn't know you preserved it, yo.
It's original.
What year? Like a 81, 79? What year?
71.
71? What you got, a 454 block?
Yeah,
Oh.
455.
Nice to meet you, Jack. Gotta get you on the camera. Can't get your car and don't get you 455.
Yeah.
Beautiful car, man.
Numbers matching.
Okay.
It is.
No, I believe you, man. I believe you.
Do you know the cars where the numbers are still all matching?
Uh-huh.
The ones that are horsepower so low, you can't blow them around. So all the high horsepower stuff all had different motors because they blew them up.
Look at the intake, bro. This is nice, bro.
It is, yeah.
Man, look, that's the best part of the car to me right there. This right here.
What is?
This inside, bro. Like you can eat off of the inside. I'm not putting no fingerprints. I just went like that. I know I'm not supposed to touch the car. I know.
It's all original stuff on there.
Everything original.
You're not gonna post that anywhere, are you? Because I don't want to be.
I didn't get you.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go Karen on me. I'm a good people. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Oh, no trouble. That's why I said hi. I spoke to you before. So usually what I do, I speak. And if you be like, don't record the car, then I know. Some people just come and just record your car and don't say nothing to you.
If you're out in public, though, you can do pretty much anything you want.
Nah, you still gotta be, it's called consideration of the others, man. It's his property. You can't just, you gotta be considerate. I mean, everybody don't, I get what you saying, but everybody don't do it like that.
Well, I just hope the FBI's not knocking on my door if I bust the door down at 5 in the morning.
No, and then when I post on TikTok, it's only like 10 seconds. So it won't even be the whole car. I'll probably just show his engine. Just for, for inquiring minds, man. Y'all have a great day. Beautiful women go first. No, you guys are good.
You know where Mike's at, the owner of this car?
No, I do not, sir.
I know him real good. There's
Go
a
look
buddy
for
of
him for
his.
me. Go look for him. How you doing today? You enjoying your
All
day?
right.
All right, man. Have a good one. Get your groove on. I know that's right.
I can't afford it. I'm gonna deal with it. I can never do it.
How you?
What's up, y'all? All right. What's up, boss? All right, all right. Getting that content.
Yeah, buddy.
That's nice, man. How y'all doing?
What's going on, man?
Hanging in, checking out y'all beautiful cars, man. Staying out the way. You good, man? You good? Go ahead. You're good. You're good. I'm stopping traffic. I don't mean to.
What is that?
The DJ Pocket 3.
What?
Like it just
what-
turn around. Like you know how you got to turn your camera
Yeah.
on and off and just spin. And
So what? It's got an SD card or something?
You got to put the SD card. If you got an iPhone, you can download it. You plug it in and download it right to the iPhone, and then post on YouTube and all that crap.
Really?
Yeah.
How much one of those cost?
I got the combo. It was like $850, I think. I think without the combo, it's around $700, somewhere around there.
What's the combo? What?
It come with the microphone, extra battery, and let me make sure it's extra battery, a microphone, and then it got a kickstand. Like if you want it got a
Like if you want to sit it down and record.
yeah, it tracks you. Like I can sit it on your car
Right.
and walk over there, and
Oh,
it's gonna
it'll
follow.
track you.
Yeah, it'll track you and shit. But it's worth it. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. I got it. I had to
But
wait
if
till
you-
tax time
if
to
you
get
a
this boy. I ain't
content-
come out to check with it.
If you're a content creator,
It's perfect, bro, because like right how I'm talking to you right now, it's still recording. It give you like you gotta buy an SD card from Walgreens. Give you like they about $20,
Right.
and you get like close to like 9 hours of footage.
really.
So you know what I'm saying? You good. Only thing is the battery dies a little bit, but you can turn it around. You can track it. Like you see, like if I walk over here, you see it turn.
Yeah.
And all that. It's decent though. Hey, y'all have a good one though. Let me go ahead and get these cars. All right.
Here we go.
Damn, you got forces on it?
Stupid.
Fanboy. You want to send it to your fanboy? You want me to sign that ball?
Oh, appreciate you, man.
Where do I get it from?
I don't know. I think my wife bought it like a year ago. I had this for a while, man. Yeah, but I like the message on the back.
Yeah, that's it. Can I take a picture of the bag?
Go ahead, man. Go ahead. I'm gonna stand right here. No problem, sir. Take it easy.
tryna blow it, what you doing for? I'm tryna see who fucking, who we fucking for.
How y'all doing? All right, I'm doing good. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Pretty man.
Boss man, I don't want to fuck up your footage.
Go to the game. Yeah, got my chain. I'm just enduring the pain. Niggas don't learn my name.
What's up, boss man? Hanging it up. What's happening now? Them 8s? 6s? They're like 8s on this motherfucker. Hey, beautiful, bro. Jeep coming through here. They through here. How y'all guys doing over there? All right. Beautiful car, man.
We can agree to disagree.
How you doing over there, man? What's up, officers?
How we doing?
All right. How y'all doing over here?
Hey, how you doing?
Hanging in there, hanging in there. What up, bosses? What up?
Man?
Hanging in there, man. What's going on, y'all?
What's going on, brother?
Hey, them 6s or 8s?
6.
Man, they look like 8s, man. I ain't gonna lie, that black, bro, especially with the lip, 7 inch.
They had to shove them joints in there. They did not want to.
Yeah, you gotta tuck. What the lip is?
Yeah.
7 inches.
No, that lip is 10.
10?
Yeah.
That's why they look like, bro.
Yeah.
Deep dish, bro. This is beautiful, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
appreciate it, bro.
Best
That's the
Chevelle, and there was a lot of Chevelles here. It's the best one.
Man, oh man, come on, man.
Man, I'm going online with it, bro.
Oh,
You,
man,
this the best one. Don't be too humble. You good?
I appreciate it, man.
No doubt, bro. Cobra thing. What's going on with y'all now? Hanging in there, staying out the way? All right. How you doing, sir? Yeah, all right. Oh, y'all got me?
Yeah.
Y'all ready? I think they already shutting down, so
Yeah.
is there a lot of cars down there? No.
Not that many.
Not that many? Say what's good to the camera. Uh-oh, we in front of you. We trying to mess up her footage. Apologize.
Sorry.
All right.
That is beautiful.
It is. That color, but the inside was just like the cherry on top.
Yes.
And with the sunroof. And then, y'all have a great one. All right. Well, okay, guys, that's a lease. I think I got close to about an hour of footage. When I get back to the car, I'm gonna check back in with you guys. I'm gonna try to get some of these cars that, oh, look at the monster truck. Come on. So yeah. They about to shut it down in a little bit, so when I get in the car, I'm gonna tap back in, alright? Oh, never. Hold on, let me see if I can get him. This nigga got earth in the school bus, guys. Crazy work. Gotta get footage of my own whip. Gotta get my windows tinted. But yeah, I still ain't put them pieces on either, guys. Let me see. We finna hop in the 300, guys.